chika? Kahapon nga September 4, 2024 ay talaga namang bonggang-bongga at superstar-studded nga ang naging birthday celebration ni Dr. Ivy kasama nga ang kanyang asawa na si Dr. Zay Teo. Hindi nga lamang birthday celebration ni Dr. Ivy ang sinelebrate kaya naman bonggang-bongga ito dahil sinelebrate nga rin nila at the same time ang ika-15 years ng Ivy Clinic kung saan ang Ivy Clinic nga ay isa sa mga prominente at talaga namang kilalang skin clinic ng mga Pinoy celebrities na kalaban nga na number 1 ng The Bello Beauty Clinic. Ang kanyang birthday party ay dinaluhan ng kanyang mga Ivy babies na sikat nga dito sa Pilipinas, katulad na nga lang nila Heart Evangelista, Bea Alonzo, Catherine Bernardo, Bella Padilla, Nadine Lustre, Sofia Andres kasama nga ang kanyang asawa na si Daniel Miranda, Mimia, Kailin Bersosa, Kailin Alcantara, Miss Maricel Soriano, Barbie Imperial at talaga namang nakakatuwa dahil nandun din nga si Sara Labati. Marami nga sa mga netizens ang napatanong ano kaya ang reaksyon ng bawat isa nang makita nga nila ang isa't isa. Pero wala naman daw doon si Richard Gutierrez. Naroon din nga ang isa sa mga favorite ni Dr. Ivy na si Joshua Garcia, Denise Laurel, Sam Pinto, Moira, Mark Baumgartner, Chis Escudero at maging ang big boss ng GMA7 na si Miss Annette Gozon. Napakaraming ang kilalang personalidad ang nakiparty-party kay Dr. Ivy. Magkahalong politician, fashion world, business world ang umattend sa kanyang party na talaga namang bonggang-bongga at non-stop nga ang sayawan, kantahan, kainan at inuman. At marami naman sa mga netizens ang napasana all nga kay Dr. Ivy dahil nasa kanya na nga daw ang lahat. May magandang buhay, magandang business, napaka-successful na career, mabuting asawa at napakasayang pamilya. At sinusurround pa nga siya ng kanyang mga lovely friends inside and outside showbiz industry. Halika at panoorin natin ang ilan sa mga video clips ganap na kanilang ibinahagi sa kanilang mga social media accounts.
Thank you so much for everything. You're such a blessing to all of us, and I love you so much. Hi! Happy birthday, Doc Ivy. Happy birthday, Doc Ivy. We love you so much, and I hope you enjoy your day. And we just want to say thank you for taking care of us, me, Danielle, and Zoe especially. And we appreciate you more than ever. Thank you. Happy birthday. Doc Ivy, happy birthday. First, I just want to say thank you for everything. Of course, for being not just a doctor, but also my friend. Thank you so much, Ate Ivy. Love you!
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday. Stay amazing.
Happy birthday. I don't have your sister. That very I just wanted to be very happy.
Happy birthday, Dr. Ivy. I hope you have a good one, and let's have fun tonight.
you so much, and I just wish you all the best and continue soaring and reaching for the dreams that you have. And I just wish that you get to do all the things that you want with your family and with your loved ones. Love you. Hi, Dog. It's Am. So before I enter your party, bago tayo magkagano, just want to give you a happy birthday. You're so loved, and tonight we are celebrating you. I just wish you all the happiness in the world because you deserve it. You enjoy your night. Magsasaya tayo lahat tonight, and we love you so much. Happy birthday, Doc Ivy.
Hi, Doctora. Happy birthday, and I wish you all the best. Sana lahat ng wishes and your dreams will come true. Lahat ng desires in your heart ay matupad. God bless you and happy.
Hi, Dr. Ivy. Happy birthday. We're wishing you the best.
Yes, more blessings and happiness and everything. You have everything already, and happy birthday again. Love you.
Happy birthday, Dr. Ivy. Stay beautiful. To our good friend and psychiatrist na rin. Yes. We love you so much. We love you. Happy birthday, Doc Ivy. I'm really honored to be called you as my friend. Opo. At kung nagtataka ka kung anong regalo mo, ito ang regalo ko para sa'yo, Doc Ivy. Sarili ko ka. Kasi I think you have everything that you need in your life. You're happy, you're successful, and you're blessed with a really great family. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Doc Ivy, for trusting me. And I'm such an... Gotta go. Happy birthday, Doc Ivy. I love you.
Hi, Doc Ivy. This is Joshua, your favorite. Happy birthday sa'yo. And sana mas marami pa tayong pagsamahan at mas lumalim pa yung pagkakaibigan natin. God bless you.
Hi, Dr. Ivy. Happy birthday. I want you to know that I'm forever grateful that I'm one of your babies here in the Ivy Clinic. Thank you for always taking care of me and for keeping me young. And you have everything. You have a beautiful family. You have a successful career. Good health na lang siguro bilang you're such a hardworking mom. Happy birthday and enjoy your day. I love you.
Anong masasabi nyo mga kachika? Just comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!